In this video, I want to show you how to open the fuel door in your Subaru Impreza. Could be the hatchback or the sedan, it does not matter. So if we go in the driver's footwell over here, you're going to see two levers. If you have the sedan, you're going to get this lever. If you don't have the sedan, you won't see it. But over here, it's the fuel lever that you need to pull completely. Okay, pull it even a few times in case it didn't register the first one. And by the way, over here you have a lock. So if you see that what I show you now, it doesn't work, it means that it's locked. So go ahead, put your key over here, turn it in the unlock position, this one. Okay, so turn it clockwise and then you'll be able to pull it, go out. The fuel cap is not on the left side, you need to go on the right side. And here we go. Open, twist counterclockwise, and now don't simply let this rest on the paint of your car. You can simply put it, I don't know if you see over here, it says cap hook. Well, this cap doesn't have the cable anymore, but overall you can simply put the cable over here. Okay, imagine it's still attached to the car, and the cap will stay, and whatever drips will fall on the ground and not on the paint of your Subaru. Once you're done, simply put it back, and as it says over here, a loose cap may turn a check engine. So this is very important that it clicks a few times. Close the door and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.